Hey, my name is Corey Sheff, and I'm a software engineer, game developer, and AI explorer. I've always had a passion for creating things, and then game development has been one of my biggest creative outlets. I started making text-based games in middle school, then experimented with OpenGL and XNA, and eventually got to where I am today. I've had a few releases in the early iOS App Store, but lately I find myself in a bit of a creative rut. As many game developers know, it's not always smooth sailing. I had a rough patch, faced some setbacks, and eventually experienced burnout dealing with my full-time job as a back-end software engineer. That period of burnout lasted quite a few years until just recently, which could probably be a topic for an entire video down the line. I often didn't touch any game development for years at a time, constantly bouncing around between other side projects and hobbies and pursuits. But after stepping back and deciding to pursue what made me happy and what allowed me to be the most creative, I found my way back into the game development world. And I'm here to share that journey with you. This channel is all about my experiences making games, both the highs and lows and the mental hurdles that go along with it. I want to help others who are on a similar path and may be feeling, lost or overwhelmed or confused. I also write a weekly newsletter over at thebitarcade.com. You can find that in the description, where I talk about game development along with my unfiltered thoughts on the week that was and the week that lies ahead. Often reflecting on the things bouncing around my head. If you're interested in game development or just life in the tech world, I invite you to check that out. Yeah, so this is definitely outside of my comfort zone, but growth is found when we push ourselves outside of what we are comfortable with. My goal with this is not only to push myself forward through this creative journey, to help those that are in a similar situation. It's difficult to find, direction when you're stuck. You're not sure where to go, how to start, where to get help. And this channel is not only for myself, but for the community we can foster together. And before we go, I would just love to know, what everyone's working on, what challenges you're facing, what are you building, what engines you're using. So just comment below. I'd love to, read those and see what everyone's doing. And with that, this is the Bit Arcade, and until next time, goodbye, good luck.